Can you guys guess? Can you guys guess what's about to happen on today's episode of Cooking Quarantine? Can you guess? Why do we have coffee? Why do we have bowls and sugar and a hand mixer? Welcome to today's episode of Quarantine Cooking with Sky and Christine. So for those of you that have seen Nukum Dukum's very old videos where he's pranking his sister. Oh my gosh, should I insert that here?
No. Ooh, that's an old video.
Yeah. So we've been watching TikTok and internet things, and we've decided to do the coffee video. Did you know that there's a cold one and a hot one, and they make different things happen?
Yeah,
So
we just found out about the cold one because everyone knows about the hot one, but do you know about the cold one?
So we're gonna do coffee on coffee.
Yep. I don't drink coffee, but we'll see how it goes.
Gonna get hype.
More than what we already are.
Right. We just listened to someone say, oh yeah, no big deal, but if you hand mix it 400 times, it'll get the consistency. Who's gonna count that much? Okay, maybe we should hand mix it. Okay, so instead of boiling our water, we've microwaved it.
This whole recipe, this is a 1:1:1 ratio. So you're gonna need coffee crystals, instant coffee, and we currently have a half tablespoon. So we're just gonna do 1 tablespoon, so there's 2 of those.
Gotta make do with what you got.
We lost our tablespoon.
Should I go up to the 2?
Want to do 2? Of course. There's 2 of us.
Why not? Okay. We're gonna be jacked. I don't drink a lot of coffee.
I don't drink coffee.
So this is we're gonna be making TikToks afterwards, learning the dances.
Oh no, we're gonna learn all the dances.
All the dances.
Sugar?
Sugar.
We got sugar.
Gosh, it's so hard to grab water from here.
You want to get a different mug?
That's cool. Make do with the apocalypse. I wish I had that on camera. You didn't lock it. Oh my gosh.
There we go.
Okay. Now beat it till it gets foamy. Progress. What if it all just
boy,
glued?
here we go.
What if all just glued? Okay, so it's all staying in there. I'm gonna try not to get it ugly in the glass. But wait, there's more. And then we're gonna try this with cold. See what happens.
Looks like you do.
I know. I was about to say. I'm like 12. It kind of looks like poopy. Cheers.
Oh wow.
It's so thick.
It's thick and
So strong.
I can't talk. It's super strong.
There goes my taste buds.
Oh boy. Here we go. Hopefully we put a lot of milk, so
Yeah.
dilute it.
Yes. So that's what it looks like right now. So now we're gonna make the whip that goes on top.
We're doing that too?
We don't need a lot. We just want enough for what we have. And part of me is like, let's eyeball it, because we know we need less instant coffee, more sugar, and then just ice water.
Yeah.
So I kind of want to wing it.
You want to wing
I
it?
kind of want to wing it.
No math involved?
No math. And then the guy problem, Karen might want to talk to my manager, but it's fine. Yeah, that looks good. That looks about half. Okay, that's so much sugar. I think that's all right.
That's good. That's good.
Good. Good enough.
I don't need that much sugar.
Yes, it does. That's so much sugar.
Oh.
Cool.
Very cold water. Ice cold water.
Ice cold water. I think we start whipping it now.
Whip, whip.
Whip, whip. Now that we've got our beautiful coffee.
Ooh. It's like a slow-mo, but not.
It's like a milkshake. I love it.
The boys are here. They're in our yard.
Oh god. Mom, milkshake brings all the boy to the copyright. Ooh. Coffee. So if anybody wants adult, just bring your coffee cups over.
Alright, bring it up.
We have plenty. Ooh. I'm gonna do another one because I'm remembering how bitter that was.
Oh, yeah.
And if this is lighter,
Maybe
then
you're making
I'll want more of this. What about you?
I'll I'll take another two.
Okay, here we go. Look. Oh. Oh, I did so much. Oh.
Oh boy, here we go.
That's so satisfying. Wow, you can see like where it's getting foamy on the edges.
I love seeing all the different layers.
Yeah. Look at it.
I love it, like seeing it seep through too.
Yeah. Look at that glistening top. But this is the part that's most satisfying. Just do a time lapse in a couple hours. You're not even gonna drink it. You know, we haven't tried the whip by itself.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah, we should probably taste it. Tink. That's much better. I can kind of taste the granules. I kind of want to get in with a little bit
Of each. Like a dessert.
Yeah. Okay, so I've got like the milk, the whip, the coffee crap. Okay.
Oh.
Oh. I'm gonna mix it all together now.
That's so strong.
I'm just gonna make it.
Oh my gosh, that was horrible. I mean, if you love coffee, maybe you'll
it
like
would be
this.
great for you.
Look, we have two people who don't drink coffee. It's pretty though.
Yeah,
I think it's pretty.
beautiful.
You know, everything online is all aesthetic. Oh, the whipped cream is not like incorporated.
Oh gosh. No, it's not. Cool.
Oh, it's not too thick. Oh, wow, you're drinking a lot. I heard good.
So, I wanted to see if I actually get the coffee while I'm drinking it. So the coffee is very diluted now.
Oh, it is?
If anything, all I taste is sugar and milk. The aesthetic is for the foam, but if you're gonna actually drink it, I'm telling you, all you're gonna be drinking is froth.
Yeah.
And if you like that, but no.
No, not for us. It's a no for us.
Yes. So this is the viral trend right now. If you guys are giving it a try, let us know. Post your pictures on Instagram. Love to watch them. Love to know your thoughts. This is very inexpensive, and trust me, there's plenty of crystallized coffee on the shelves.
We have. Yeah. Those are still on the shelves.
This and pickles. It's the only thing that's left.
Pickles.
So you guys don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Love your faces. We'll see you in the next viral cooking video. Bye.
Bye.